Hi there! Come and join me and let us visit the famous Tabon Cave of Quezon, Palawan. Tabon Cave is known as the Cradle of Philippine Civilization, home to the Tabon Man, whose fossils were carbon dated to 16,500 years, one of the oldest human fossil discoveries here at Tabon Cave Complex in Lipon Point, Quezon, Palawan. The Tabon Cave Complex is a 138-hectare museum site reservation at the western coastline of Quezon, southern Palawan. Although there is only one cave originally named Tabon, all caves in the Lipon Point Reservation have become collectively known as Tabon Cave Complex, where numerous archaeological artifacts have been discovered since 1962. There are about 215 caves in the reservation, 38 of which have been established to be of archaeological and anthropological significance. Presently, only 7 caves are accessible and open to the public. Between 1962 and 1966, an archaeological exploration was conducted by a team from the National Museum headed by anthropologist Dr. Robert Fox. The cave was named Tabon after the large-footed bird that lays eggs in huge holes it digs into the cave floors. It brought to light an astonishing concentration of archaeological cave sites containing substantial cultural materials with an extensive time range unsurpassed in the Philippines and possibly equaled only in a few sites in Southeast Asia. The artifacts recovered belong to different periods, and the most celebrated archaeological find is the Tabon Man, one of the oldest human skeletal remains in the Philippines dating back to 14,000 BC. The oldest human fossil so far recovered from the Tabon Cave is a tibia, or a bone of the lower leg, that dates back to 45,000 BC. Other finds included earthenware, jade ornaments, jewelries, many stone tools, animal bones, and human fossils dating back to 47,000 years ago, the earliest human remains found in the Philippines. In recent years, verification of facts in addition to further analysis of previously collected samples has allowed for a greater understanding of the site as a whole. Radioisotope dating techniques have been able to show a period of near continuous habitation from 30,000 to 9,000 years ago. Human remains as well as rock flakes, hammers, and other stone tools indicate that the cave may have been used as a workshop. The bone fragments found in the caves have also been suggested to have come from the late Pleistocene to early Holocene periods. Previous excavations of the site have also revealed evidence of a diet including wild pig and deer, which are extinct in the Philippines today. The Manunggul Jar is a secondary burial jar excavated from a Neolithic burial site in Manunggul Cave of Tabon Caves here at Lipon Point, Quezon, Palawan, dating from 890 to 710 BC. The two prominent figures at the top handle of its cover represents the journey of the soul to the afterlife. The Manunggul Jar is widely acknowledged to be one of the finest Philippine pre-colonial artworks ever produced and is considered a masterpiece. The Tabon Cave in fact was populated by people earlier than the Tabon men, since stone tools were there again to prove this. The deepest soil deposit of the cave was dated to approximately 50,000 years old, and the youngest to about 10,000 years. This shows that the cave was used continuously for about 40,000 years by people that used the same kind of tools. In the Tabon Caves, the archaeological remains tend to show that the people here were catching more of small animals, bats, and birds that live in the cave itself. Hence, there was less need for larger kind of tools. After visiting all of the caves, you may choose to follow the same path or go for a different route to see another scenery. You can go down the beach shores, which will still lead you back to the Tabon Cave's main entrance, or advise your boatman to meet you at this spot. For more fun-filled adventures and travel tips, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. This has been Stephen. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.